You should have watched the previous video that covered how to through Chrome, go in, make new folder for scavenger hunt, upload your footage. So I assume you did that, and I assumed you labeled your shots. Now we're going to talk about Padlet. There are instructions here about how to upload to Padlet. So the key thing is the first thing you're going to need to do is to create a Padlet account. I'm looking down here. You must create a Padlet account using your school email. Let me say that again. You must create a Padlet account using your school email. So that is step one. And then step two will be uploading into the specific Padlet I created for this assignment. So let's first start by by logging in and creating our account. I'm going to click here to go to Padlet. And it's going to take you to a screen. And you can just go up here on the top left and hit log in. And you can log in with your Google account. Now I've already created one. But when you do that, it is going to ask you, oh my goodness, if you want a free account or a paid account. And the answer is you want a free account. That's all you need to do. And then it should take you into a screen. Yours will be blank because you haven't made any yet. And you've now logged in. Anytime I ask you to upload to Padlet, that's the same process. You need to make sure you log in. You would see your icon up here on the top right. And that's important because otherwise when you hand stuff in, I won't know who you are. Once I've done that, which should just take a second, I'm going to flip back to Canvas. You've done this part. You logged in, you created a Google account, you chose the free option. Now you're logged in and you're back here and you're just going to go to the Padlet for this specific assignment. And you'll see here, once we're there, it says with the instructions, click on the plus on the bottom, blah, blah, blah. So there's written instructions a little bit to see this. And but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click here. Here is the Padlet for this assignment. It looks like some of you have already handed it in. I just need to look through them and approve it. So what you're going to do is you can see there's several columns. Bree has already come in here and done it. This is where your extreme tight shot is going to go. This is the column for your tight shot, your medium shot, your wide shot, your pan, and your tilt. So what you will do is you are going to, you can click below, or I can't, or you can click below each column. You'll see a plus sign, and that will pop up. You'll know you're logged in because it will put your name in, and you will put the name of your shot. So Aaron tight shot. And I will then hit the upload button here, and it's going to say pick a file. I'm going to pick a file, and I will go to my drive where sorry. And I will go back to my scavenger hunt assignment. Oh no, I think I just uploaded my whole folder. So sorry. Pick a file, there we go. And in that, I'm just going to click my tight shot and I will hit open and it will upload it. And then I will proceed to the next one. I'm sorry, I put my tight shot in the wrong column. This is a terrible example. Well, even I make mistakes. You know what? This is a great example. So I put the wrong one in the wrong column. Oh no. Here it is. I'm just going to hit the X. I'll delete it. Wrong one. And this is supposed to be my extreme tight shot. So I'll just go in and I'll go back and I'll pick the correct one. So I meant to hit my extreme tight shot and then I will hit open. And then I will go through and put each one in each column. And they should be great examples of each. Um, and there it is. So I'll go to the next and so on, and make sure the only trick is it's a little bit, there are more columns than the screen. So there's a scroll bar on the bottom, and just make sure you scroll over and you get one into all of them. So there's 6 different columns, and you need, as this says, the 6 different shots. And that's it. That's how you hand it in. So work your way through it and listen to all the instructions and read all the instructions. And I look forward to seeing your work.